How to add music on Instagram stories. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can simply add music on your Instagram stories. So all you need to do is simply follow these steps. So first get into your Play Store and make sure that your Instagram application is updated. And if it's not, just do it because the new features won't be able to support the previous versions of Instagram. Once you do that, now what you need to do is simply get into your Instagram application and get onto the main page. And now what you need to do is simply get into your profile by tapping at the profile icon in the top right corner. Once you do so, you need to go on your profile picture and just tap on it. That's the first way to do it. The second way to do that is simply get into that plus icon that is at the top right corner, just along with that freelance icon or that hamburger like icon. Once you tap on it, you see that this dialog box has appeared out stating a post, story, highlight, and live option. All you need to do is just simply get into the story option. Now you would options like camera, and from the gallery you need to get into camera first. And while going into the camera, you need to take a story or choose from the uploads that is just at the right top left side. And once you have taken a photo, all you need to do is get into your stickers. Just tap on your sticker sign that is at the top of the screen. Once you tap on it, you see that there's this music icon over here. Just tap on it, and once you tap on this, you have all the music for you bar, or you can also get into that browse and you can see for the music for yourself, like birthday, date night, R&B, and soul. And you can also search for the music, just like if I want to have some music from this singer, all you need to do is I'll search for it, and now you see that this artist's songs are appearing on it. And once I select that, so this is how you do it. This is how that song lyrics appears and the song appears. Furthermore, you can also change the font. It can appear like that, it can also appear like that, it can also appear like that, it can also appear like that. So this is how you basically add a music to your Instagram story. And if you guys really want to know more about it or have some questions or query, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. Furthermore, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And with this, just don't forget to click that bell icon in case you can receive more awesome notifications about these further fantabulous videos. With this, till next time, peace, take care.